May I request everyone to please stand for our prayer?
Itinataas namin ang iyong pangalan. Pinatuturihan at pinasasalamatan ka namin sa lahat ng iyong mga ginawa at pagpapala. Salamat sa panibagong araw na ipinagkaloob mo sa amin. At sa oras na ito, na kami ay
Okay. Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you?
We're fine, ma'am.
Very good. Before we begin our class this afternoon, can we pick up some pieces of papers under your chairs and put it inside your bag? Mr. Secretary, do we have any absences this afternoon?
None, ma'am.
Well, since everybody is present this afternoon, I will give all of you 20 points each. So, now, class, do you have any assignment?
None, miss.
Okay, since there is none, let's proceed to our new lesson. Are you all ready, class?
Yes, ma'am.
But before that, let me remind you on our classroom rules. Mr. Makalipay, please read.
Read to learn, everyone give its go. Silence when others are talking. Please say, "Excuse me, ma'am, sir," with valid reason for you to be allowed to go out, and electronic devices must be put inside your bag. See, collaborate to your group mates if needed. And lastly, the key talking is not allowed unless you are told to do so.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Makalipay. Do you have any questions regarding to our classroom rules?
None, miss.
Okay. Now, what was our previous lesson?
It's all about nouns, ma'am.
Okay. What is the definition of noun?
Noun is the name of place, person, things, events, and ideas.
Indeed, I can tell you have learned from our previous lesson. In order to energize our minds, let's have an energizer first. And this activity titled Picture Me. I already sent the pictures in our GC. Do I make myself clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So, based on the pictures that I sent in our GC, what do you think our lesson for today, class?
I think it's all about
Third,
Exactly. Our topic this afternoon is all about explain how a selection will be influenced by culture, history, environment, or other factors. So, before we start our lesson this afternoon, everyone please read our objectives.
at the end of the lesson, the
students
students will be able to
define the terms of culture, history, and environment, value details from
the selection that
selection
allows the influence
of culture, history, and environment, and explain how the selection may be influenced by culture, history, environment, or other factors.
Okay, I have here a PowerPoint presentation, and all you have to do is to listen. Then afterwards, I will ask you questions. Okay, class, what is the presentation all about?
It's all about environmental factors, ma'am.
This time, let's have an activity. Miss Dunde, what is the importance of knowing Filipino environment, history, and culture?
It is important to know the Philippines' history, culture, and beliefs for us to be able to understand why they act that way.
Very good. Let's give Miss Dunde a barangay clap. Now, based on our lesson, what is the importance of explaining a selection may be influenced by culture, history, or environment in our lives? Anyone from the class? Oh, Miss Liu.
It is important to know how the selection may be influenced by one. It's because that By simply reading a phrase or a paragraph that contains other cultures, it educates us, and it could also help us in our daily communication, in communicating with other culture.
Well done! Okay, I'll already group you into big groups. This side will be the group 1 and this side will be the group 2. And I provided a passage where you answer the following questions. And all you have to do is to submit it in the link that I provided. Am I clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's have a quiz.
What did you do?
Prepare a 1/2 sheet of paper and access the test questions in the link that I provided. Crystal? Clear? Okay! Now in your assignment, create a visual aid presentation about our environment and pass it in our next meeting. Am I clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Crystal.
Any questions?
None, miss.
Okay. That's all for today, class. I am Lorraine Kaento, your teacher, LJ.